In this video I will show you how to delete YouTube search history from your phone as well as computer. First of all, let's look how to do this in phone. For this, go and open YouTube app on your phone. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Here you will get history section. Tab on view all next to history. Here you will get all your YouTube search history. Click on 3 dot at the top. Tap on the clear all watch history. You will get this message. Your YouTube watch history will be cleared from all YouTube apps on all devices. Your video recommendations will be reset, so click on clear watch history. You can see history has been cleared successfully from your phone. If you want to do same from your computer, then follow these below steps. Open web browser and then in address bar type youtube.com and press enter. This will open YouTube. Here you can see this is my connected account and I want to clear this search history, then click on history under you section as shown here. Then you can manage your history, like you can manage comments, post and live chat, but I have interested in clearing all search history, so click on clear all watch history. If you get this pop-up, click on clear watch history. Now your search history gets deleted. Now you have to search things on YouTube again to recreate history again. In this way we clear YouTube history from phone and computer. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.